Our case study focuses on the creation of a comedy movie genre, which has been allocated a budget of $4,500,000. The principal photography phase is scheduled to take place over a duration of 40 days in and around the Los Angeles area. The project features 2 lead actors, with the male lead receiving a salary of $750,000 and the female lead actress receiving a salary of $450,000. Additionally, our pre-production phase will also extend for 40 days, providing us with sufficient time to carefully plan and prepare for the filming process. Following principal photography, we anticipate a 12-week post-production period, during which we will work on editing, sound mixing, and other essential aspects to bring the movie to its final form. To access a range of budget templates commonly utilized by production companies, navigate to the Movie Magic budgeting software and click on the Open New option. Then select New Budget and then New Budget from Template. This will provide you with access to a selection of pre-existing budget templates. I recommend selecting one of the templates available within Movie Magic. When selecting the pre-existing templates, choose one that is not from a major production company, as it may include many items that are not necessary for a budget of $4,500,000. For the purpose of this course, I have created a template from a budget I prepared not long ago. You can find the template linked in the resource section of this chapter. Let's open the template so we can start setting the header and footer, which is the first step you would like to take when approaching this budget.